Hi, so today I posted a graphic saying if you don't change, nothing else does, and mentioned how we mirror vibrations. So what I'm going to do right now is give you 4 tips to raise your vibration. And you see me dressed like this because I'm going as Liza Minnelli to a party at the moment, but I wanted to do this for you. So the first tip is by chanting Om, because what that does is it raises stagnant energy and it increases your vibration. Another thing to instantly increase your vibration is smiling. The third tip I have for you is to increase your oxygen input. That's the third tip to raising your vibration. And of course, there's nothing better to raising your vibration than being around people with high vibrations. So I hope that empowers you today, and I will see you soon.